He was speaking in Atlanta in the wake of mass protests surrounding the shooting dead of unarmed black teenager Michael Brown by a white policeman. Mr. Holder was speaking at the Ebenezer Baptist Church in Atlanta where Martin Luther King preached. President Barack Obama has requested funds to improve training and provide body cameras for the police. The shooting of Mr. Brown in August in Ferguson, Missouri, has reignited tension over relations between young African Americans and the police. Most of Ferguson's police are white, while the town's residents are mainly black. A grand jury's decision last week not to charge police officer Darren Wilson over Mr. Brown's death sparked violence across the U.S. A mass walkout was held on Monday as employees stopped work and students left classes. Mr. Holder was in Atlanta to meet law enforcement officials and community leaders at the request of President Obama. In a speech during a forum titled "The Community Speaks," Mr. Holder said that the police cannot be seen as an occupying force. The issue, he said, was larger than just the police in the community. Our overall system of justice must be strengthened and it must be made more fair, he said.